Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be making Cowboy Frito Pie. What all goes into the Cowboy Frito Pie? 1 pound ground beef, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 15-ounce cans of ranch beans, 1 9.3 ounce package of corn chips divided, 2 10-ounce cans of enchilada sauce. Dave likes the green chili enchilada sauce, but if you would rather, you can use the red enchilada sauce. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm using triple cheddar, and green onions to taste, thinly sliced for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9x13 pan and lightly spray it with cooking spray and set it aside. Take a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the beef, which is 1 pound, and add the 1 onion chopped. Cook that until the beef is no longer pink. So the ground beef is brown. I drained some of the grease. This is 93%, so it doesn't have a whole lot of grease. Reduce the heat to medium and then dump in your 2 cans of the ranch style beans. Stir that in and heat it until heated through, stirring frequently. Take your Fritos and reserve 1 cup and set that aside. Take your 9x13 pan, take the rest of the Fritos and dump them in the bottom of the pan. Take your beef mixture and put it on top of the corn chips. And spread that out so it's kind of even. Then take your 2 cans of enchilada sauce and pour it over the beef mixture. And if you want it spicier, you would probably want to use the red enchilada sauce. Then take your 2 cups of cheese, and that is shredded cheddar, and I have shredded triple cheddar. Sprinkle that all over it. Then take the 1 cup of reserved Fritos and sprinkle that on top. So put your Cowboy Frito Pie in a preheated 350-degree oven and cook it until the cheese is melted, about 15 to 20 minutes. So here is the Cowboy Frito Pie, and we garnished it with sliced green onions. And rounding out the meal is a cheddar garlic biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells good.
It's Cowboy Frito Pie.
Has kind of a little bit of like a chili twang to it.
It's got ranch style beans in it and enchilada sauce.
Oh, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.